Finding a place to park your car can be a real nightmare, especially in big cities such as Lima, Peru. Trying to find a parking lot for your car, motorbike, or even your bike can be a real headache. And not only because it's hard to find a place, but also because the place is most of the time not just as secure as you might want it to be. So, how can we solve this problem? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna design a solution to find parking lots available in the city. Let's check it out. My name is Ricardo Ari, and I'm a product engineer focused on digital product design and product management. During my career, I have developed several different products for consumer electronics, mobile applications, banking, retail, and healthcare. And today, I'm gonna show you my process to create technological products people will love. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. So what we are doing today is this app for parking lot reservations. We have to first think about the customer journey and then try to divide that customer journey into stages and then into moments. Think about what has to be true in each moment for the user, and then at the end we will prototype it in Figma. So let's start. My initial stage is the onboarding, where the user has to put some initial settings such as the card type, the credit card, etc., name and preferences, and then we can move on. One of the first things I think my user has to do is to choose the destination where he's going or she is going, and then we will let him know or let her know which parking lots are available near to the place where he's going. After that, he has to choose an option among all the options that I'm gonna provide him. Considering the time, in the previous section, I think that the user has to choose the place, and then in the next section, the user has to choose or has to input how much time he will spend in this place. And then we can calculate, based on that information, we can calculate the total amount that he's gonna pay for the service. And if everything is okay, I think that he might want to get directions to get to the parking lot. And there are two directions. The first one is the direction to get to the place, and then when he has arrived to the place, he might need to get directions to get to the parking slot. So I don't know if it is in the first floor or in the second floor, and which part in the second floor it is. So there are two types of directions, and we will provide them to him here. And after all of this, he will want to leave the car, to do his things, and then come back. But what I'm thinking about him coming back is that we have to inform him that his time has passed and that he has to come back to take his car off with him. And if he doesn't do that, and if he doesn't appear on time, we will charge him a fee. And that fee, I think, should be somewhere else in the terms and conditions or whatever. As I will note here, this MVP only covers for single reservations. We will not design for more cases such as adding more time or canceling a reservation. No, that's gonna be a casuistic, and we're not doing that, at least today. Alright, so we have finished with all this customer journey mapping. This is commonly known as user journey map, customer journey map, however you want to call it. It's just a basic representation of what a user has to perform or which steps the user has to go through in the full service. We have gone through all the steps up to the acquisition of the spot and later than that, so which is great. We have seen the full panorama of the service as a whole thing. And what we will do right now is to identify each step and divide it into moments. So there are some things that we want our user to perform in each step, which are called the moments. And in these moments, we want to clarify what is needed for the user to perform. So I'm gonna go through all of this very, very fast, and I'm gonna dig it into more detail in the next video. I hope you like it, and see you next time. Bye-bye.